Hi ladies and gentlemen. Today I am going to review the iPhone or iPad app Vernier Video Physics, which is by a great company, Vernier, that creates hardware as well as software. They make all sorts of probes for use in all the different science experiments that you might do. But they also create some great software such as Logger Pro, which I use on my PC, and for this iPhone iPad app, Video Physics, which allows me to do video analysis. Now, you may ask, why is video analysis important? Well, Common Core Learning Standards has a lot more focus on hands-on activities that allow students to develop their own concepts and their own ideas. And by doing video analysis, we allow students to model with mathematics and with the physics concepts as well. They're going to create their own graphs, and they're going to have to interpret their own graphs as well. So let's actually take a look at the app itself. The first step to doing this is to take your own video or choose an existing video, but in this case I'll use a sample one. And when you open up the app, you have the option of plotting points. And when you plot the points, you're actually tracking the motion of the basketball itself. After tracking the motion of the basketball itself, I'm able to create a graph that measures position versus time, as well as velocity versus time for each axis. You also have the option of creating your own scale within. So by creating your own scale, you can create a more accurate measurement of distances. You can even change the origin of this as well, and therefore when you graph it, you end up with more realistic numbers. And what's great about this is you can even take this information, you can save it to your camera roll, you can email the data itself for in a CSV file, you can open it in Logger Pro or wherever else. But in this case, I'm going to open the data within a special app, another iPad app called Graphical Analysis, also made by Vernier. What's great about this is that we have the opportunity to look at the individual data and then to do a statistics or as well as a best type of fit for this as well, and it gives us a lot of information. You always have the opportunity to go back into the app and go through the data as well to fix any points that you need. Students can plot their lines and calculate the velocity of it and see how projectile motion is tracked. This is also useful for energy, rotational motion, and whatever else your imagination can have. And we even have some samples here where people use it for circular motion or for supermarket checkout. If you do happen to be interested in the other iPad app, Vernier Graphical Analysis, it's available in iTunes as well as for Android, where you can analyze the data that you collect. Okay. Thank you very much for watching my review.